Wavy never land like Benny from the Sandlot, calling my shot. The great Bambino, don't drink vodka unless it's from Pellegrino. Traded 2 5s for a super steak burrito. Super J Palme got me feeling like Rico. Pulling up a cha-cha. Call it sugar for honey bunch, nah, I'm fucking up. Should've had my homie take my phone when I'm this fucking drunk. Like I got a checklist, texting one of my exes every time Drake go and drop a record. Way too fucking reckless with the Marvin's Room reference. I'm drunk. I mean tanks, and now I'm at the grill with some ballpark Franks. Talking to this girl trying to reach second base, maybe hit a home run, rap game, Ernie Banks. Everything I order being served by the pitcher, and everything we rollin' is a designated hitter. I'm talking marijuana. The $10 the nana, I can get you what you want. I might spend a couple dollars just to kick you across the border. If you want it, Tijuana ain't far from Southern California. Carpools all full of girls from the U, Arizona. See life for what it is. Ain't waiting till it's dark. Just a couple kids that ain't drinking in the park. Just a couple kids that ain't drinking in the park.
Man, I've been waiting all week, and it's 3:15. I'm about to pour me up a drink, a date party, let's drink. So what you think? I've been waiting all week, and it's 3:15. I'm about to pour me up a drink, a date party, let's drink. So what you think? I've been waiting on. Posted up drinking, just circulating knowledge, perpetuating profits. It's my outdoor office. The drinks all chilled and the girls all ill. We on and popping, party hopping with that old school feel. So now I don't know what time it is. I got a 6-pack in my trunk. Was always told I'm impatient. It's about time that we get turned. So someone play Stevie's greatest hits. Watch Bieber break out his best 1-2 step. Like rockstar lifestyle might not make it, but less Bon Jovi, BFA's more shaded. Bro, we graduated, bring a cold brew over. Got me seeing double like some fucking bifocals. Be awesome, we major, get lineups with razors, cell phones and pagers. I turn up in blazers. I'm the new school, spitting that just gentleman rap. Always living that S on the fitted cap. Roll up my sleeves when I step up on the scene. Bunch of women, early 20s and late teens, bro, we chillin'. Smooth criminal way I lean, girl, we livin'. Sippin' Hennessy on the beach, my lifestyle's way slightly more than buzzed. All blacked out like FUBU does. I've been waiting all week, and it's 3:15. I'm about to pour me up a drink, a date party, let's drink. So what you think? I've been waiting all week, and it's 3:15. I'm about to pour me up a drink, a date party, let's drink. So what you think? I've been waiting on. I've been waiting on. So what you waiting on? I've been waiting on. So what you waiting on? I wouldn't have a worry if I tried to. Keep living day to day, making new moves. It's nada, I ain't got a dollar. Do what I want when I wanna. Bumpin' Elleville loud, rockin' OG nights. It's 3 months past Labor Day, I'm still in coke whites. Like, I only smoke with the windows down. Can't smell like weed when I'm moving around. Pull off and get the thumping like boop, boop, boop. The jig is up like do. Onomatopoeia rolled down with the heat up. 3-stripe general down with the Adidas. Champagne like I got hoes. Look, official tissue with a snotty nose. I always roll with the windows down. I ain't got no worries, I got homies around. I'm the man of the year, I'm the talk of the town. Even when it rains, keep the windows down.